Belagavi is one of the important seats in Karnataka for the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. The Bharatiya Janata Party has nominated Jagdish Shettar, while the Congress has given a ticket to Mrunal Ravindra Hebbalkar for the constituency. Jagdish Shettar, a former Chief Minister who had briefly switched to Congress last year after being denied a ticket, rejoined the BJP in January. Mrunal Ravindra Hebbalkar, on the other hand, brings youthful energy and lineage as the son of Minister Laxmi Hebbalkar. He holds a degree in civil engineering. Currently held by BJP's Mangala Angadi, widow of former Union Minister Suresh Angadi, Belagavi has been a historical tug-of-war between Congress and BJP, with Congress winning the seat 10 times since 1957, while BJP has secured it 6 times and Janata Dal once. The voting for Belagavi is scheduled for May 7th as part of Phase 3 of the elections. It is going to be an interesting contest against the former Chief Minister and a young candidate. Of particular interest is the demographic composition of the Belagavi Lok Sabha constituency, where women voters outnumber the male voters, adding a distinctive dimension to the elections. Like, comment and subscribe to Daily Salar Digital for more such updates.